Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove or delete specific pages from a PDF document using Power Automate. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the automation tools you'll need to set up this workflow. After logging in, look at the left side of your screen and click on Create. This option opens up various flow templates and creation methods that Power Automate offers. From the options that appear, click on Manually Trigger a Flow. This allows you to create a workflow that you can run whenever you need it, rather than on a schedule or automatically. Next, you'll see a window pop up, so click on Instant Cloud Flow. This sets up your flow to run on demand in the cloud, making it accessible from anywhere. Then click Create to begin building your automation. Now you'll be taken to the Flow Builder interface. Click the plus icon to add your first action, and in the search bar, type Get File Content. Since we're working with SharePoint in this example, select Get File Content under the SharePoint connector. This action retrieves the PDF file you want to edit. In the first field, input your SharePoint site address where your PDF is stored. Then, on the File Identifier field, click the folder icon and navigate through your SharePoint folders to locate and select the PDF file you want to remove pages from. With your file selected, click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, search for CloudMersive in the search bar. CloudMersive is a powerful connector that provides various document processing capabilities. Find CloudMersive PDF from the results and click See More to view all available PDF actions. Now locate and click on Remove, Delete Pages from a PDF document. This is the core action that will handle the page deletion for you. In the first field of this action, click the thunder icon to open the Dynamic Content menu, then select File Content. This connects the PDF you retrieved earlier to the CloudMersive action. Next, go back to your Get File Content action and copy the file identifier path. Return to the CloudMersive action and paste this identifier into the second field. This ensures the correct file is being processed. In the third field, input the page number where you want to start deleting pages from your PDF. Then, in the last field, enter the page number where you want to stop deleting pages. This range determines exactly which pages will be removed from your document. Now click the plus icon once more to add another action. Search for Update File and click on it. This action will save the modified PDF back to SharePoint, replacing the original or creating a new version. Input your SharePoint site address in the first field. In the second field, paste the folder or file path again to specify where the updated file should be saved. Finally, in the last field, click the thunder icon and select Output Content. This takes the processed PDF from CloudMersive and saves it to your SharePoint location. And that's it, your automation is now ready to use. Whenever you run this flow, it will automatically remove the specified pages from your PDF document and save the updated version. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.